Boom! So, guess what, guys? It's the end of an era. You guys don't know this video is going to be lit because I, Eman, welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys this video, it's a bit of a sad one, I can't lie. It's a bit of a sad one because the Audi S3, as you can see it there, yeah, it's leaving us. That's why I said in the beginning of the video, it's the end of a new era. It's the end of a goddamn era. What can I say? It's been an absolute blast driving the S3. We've done a lot of road trips in there. Flipping, we're trying to go to our last road trip. We were actually planning on being my business partner behind the camera, my filmology, like the mixology, filmologist. Coach man just made our word in the spot. You get me? But yeah, we were actually wanting to go to Germany. Autobahn, and then going to the Nürburgring, but that was the last road trip we had planned for this bad boy here, but obviously that's not going to be happening. But we've had plenty more adventures with it. Obviously we went to the Peak District, we went to Wales, we've been everywhere in this car. We went to freaking France, bruv. France, that was a mad thing. That trip was so hard, it was so sick. But yeah, man, I'm actually a little bit disappointed we didn't get to hit like any like countryside roads, you know, in France. But you know what, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. But yeah, man. But yeah, like I said, the S3 is going, unfortunately. It's been 4 years. We've been driving it for 4 years. It's been an absolute pleasure to drive this car, absolute beast. Obviously, what can I say about the car? It's been very reliable. For 4 years, it's been reliable. All I've literally had to do on this car for 4 years is literally brakes, tires, service, and that's it. Literally, that's it. But yeah, it's been an absolute blast driving this thing. Obviously, it's sad to get rid of it, but it is what it is. Obviously, the main reason why I want to get rid of it is because I've got a business now and I'm trying to elevate and grow the business. And I feel like the only way I can do that is by getting rid of the car and taking money out of the car and putting it and investing a little bit more in the business. But yeah, I have a social media content creating business now. So I pretty much film TikTok videos, Instagram reels, take photos, wedding videos, the whole lot. I do it all, content creator. And yeah, I feel like the car needs to go for me to be able to do that and level it up a lot more, put more money into that, then put more money in the car, because this car, as it sits at the moment, it's very, very expensive to, you know, run the car. Obviously, like I said to you guys, all I've had to do in the car is do the brakes, tires, and the service. Obviously, the servicing is a lot. Tires is a lot. The tires I have on right now is not Michelin, but it's equivalent to Michelin, which is the Excedra 651 Sport. Absolutely beautiful tire. They're meant to be a track tire, but they're road legal track tires. So you can actually use these tires on the road, which is absolutely amazing. They're like £105 a pop each. And don't forget, I'm going to be buying 4. That's 400 and something pound, which is crazy. And then brakes as well. I don't put anything on this car that isn't EBC Yellow Stuff brake pads. So that's expensive as well. So about 150 for those brake pads. So yeah, they cost climbs up a lot when it comes to maintaining the car. Obviously servicing as well, spark plugs, the whole lot. It's just insane. The price wise is just insane. But yeah, that's why I want to get rid of it. I want to get something a little bit more smaller, a little bit more, you know, cheaper to run, like a dinger or a banger, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, when it comes to the servicing as well, obviously this car is mapped by Pure Tuning and is mapped up to 390 brake, and obviously the servicing on this is meant to be after 8,000 or 10,000 miles, but obviously because I'm a mechanic and I know exactly how these cars are like when you map them, they take in a lot of more oil, they drink a lot more oil, so I like to service the car after every 5,000 to 6,000 miles. So yeah, literally halving the amount of miles you're supposed to do it in. So I'll be doing them, you know, the service comes a lot more quicker now to do, so you know, money going on there as well, which is a bit mad. But I mean, the car is absolutely awesome. I've had it 4 years and it's literally miles per gallon, you know. And yeah, I've just absolutely loved it. Obviously, I've done my own little personal touches to it. And I've done, you know, I've blacked out the grills, put the lip, the front lip, the rear diffuser, spacers, all of that stuff. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. I mean, it's sad times, sad times. You're probably going to be wondering what I'm going to get next. Well, like I said, I'm going to be getting a dinger or a banger, whatever you guys want to call it. But yeah, I was thinking of the Polo, VW Polo for now. Obviously, it's not the car I'm going to drive for the rest of my life, but you know, obviously to grow things and, you know, get more money coming in, stuff like that. I'm thinking of getting a Polo and probably possibly making some series on it, you know, building it up and stuff like that for the YouTube channel. So, you know, I've got the consistent content going on the YouTube as well. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section below if you want to see series of me building the Polo to, you know, making it look nice. Obviously, it's not gonna be anything fast. It's not even gonna be the GTI. It's not gonna be loud. It's just like a showpiece sort of thing to make it look nice. But yeah, man. Dinger, so the Polo is what I want to get. And then after that, when the money starts to come in, the business is booming a little bit more, then we'll go and buy something else. RSQ3, RS3, M2, whichever it is. But yeah, man, that's obviously research I have to do when it comes to the time I'm going to buy. Obviously, you guys will come with me as well with the procedure of buying the new car as well. But yeah, man, it's like I said, end of an era for the S3. I think it's time now we get rid of it and, you know, put our mind on something else. Obviously, when I was younger, that's when I think I had it when I was, what, 4 years, so that's 27, 26, 25. I got it when I was 24 or 23. Obviously, still young then, you know, I loved cars. I wanted to go fast. I wanted to hear all of them things. I wanted to hear all them things. But yeah, obviously I'm 27 now, a bit grown up. And I think money and life can, you know, step up a little bit more and be put somewhere else, if that makes sense. But yeah, man, I'm fed up of working for people. They're just paying the asses. No one wants to. Every single employee out there just wants to use. They don't want to give at all, bruv. They don't want to give. They want to make you work like a dog for peanuts, which is crazy. But yeah, man. I mean, from my business and how much I'm charging my clients, it makes so much more sense. I can rest more and chill out more and work only 3 days a week. Yeah, doing 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. Yeah. And literally chilling, getting paid literally 3 times more than what I normally get paid in a normal job. So it makes sense. It makes sense to do that. But yeah, guys, that's the situation with the S3 and also obviously the banger I'm going to be getting next. Yeah, like I said to you guys, business, I want to grow it, and yeah, I'm making 3 times more than what I'll be making if I was working for someone, and people are paying the asses to work. People don't want to pay up. I don't know why people don't want to pay you. You get the job, and they're like, yeah, we'll do this, we'll do that, we'll give you this, we'll give you that. Yeah, it's going to be like this. The workflow here is absolutely awesome. They just give it the whole smack, yeah? And then you start working, and it's like, where's all the stuff you said you would do? Yeah, it's coming. A few months go by. Yeah, it's coming, and it never happens, and I cannot be asked. I want to say to myself, you know what? Working for myself, yeah, let's go get that, and we'll go get it. Do you know what I'm saying? Let's buy this for the business, and yeah, we'll buy it for the business. Do you know what I mean? I don't have time for time wasters as well, and they want you to work like a pig, like I said, and I cannot be asked with that. You know, I got a skill, I got the gear. Why not? I'm taking a big risk. I've got another video actually coming. I'm gonna put it all together, and then yeah, I got another video coming, risking doing this stuff when I got bills to pay. But yeah, man, that's been the video, man. Honestly, the car has been absolutely amazing. I know I keep going on about it. It's basically like an 8 to 10 minute video now of me just going on about the car being sold and I'm leaving the car. I don't care, man. I love the car, all right? I'd rather keep the car, but we're going on to bigger and better project. But yeah, guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button as well, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you're alerted when I upload the video on my YouTube. But yeah, let's rise up the business, rise up the YouTube, and let's just make money and make banging contents, bruv, yeah? But yeah, man, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!